Today, everyone is talking about analytics, how to use information to make better decisions faster, to be more competitive. The question you face is how to streamline analysis and drive quickly to new insights so you stay ahead of the conversation and the competition. Oracle Business Intelligence Cloud Service provides more than just spreadsheets or pretty visuals. It's based on a market-leading platform that empowers you to handle the entire analytics process quickly and easily. To get started, you'll load your data from files, on-premise systems, and cloud applications into the best-in-class Oracle database. BI Cloud Service provides easy-to-use interfaces for importing data so you can get going right away. Most of the time, data isn't formatted for analysis, and it takes a lot of work to get it ready. BI Cloud Service makes it simple to prepare your data. In a few easy steps, you can review column headers and data types for accuracy and create relationships across data sets from different sources. BI Cloud Service helps you get more from your data by enabling you to create an array of pre-packaged analytic functions and statistical calculations that extend your analysis. It's so straightforward you can do it yourself or engage in a quick collaboration with other experts. Now you're ready to see the story in your data using BI Cloud Service's gallery of intuitive, interactive visuals, including charts and performance tiles, heat maps, and trellis grids. If you're not sure what visual to use, BI Cloud Service will automatically suggest the best way to present your data. Once you have an analysis that reveals new insights, you want to share it securely with your coworkers, no matter where they are or what device they're using. With BI Cloud Service, all your analytics are immediately available for mobile with no extra work. And of course, there's fine-grained security so people see only what they should. All this is on your terms. BI Cloud Service is available when you need it with the data you want, updated and backed up on your schedule through easy self-service administration. And it's in the cloud, which offers you new levels of reliability and agility that are critical to your success. With BI Cloud Service, the power of Oracle's market-leading database and BI technology is accessible to everyone. Oracle BI Cloud Service, empowering you to convert your data into insights.